Today, we're checking out the DroneMask 2. Inside this box is everything you need to get your FPV on with your GPS drone. Well, you'll also need your smartphone. I brought the DJI Air 2S along today. The goggles come in this carrying satchel, and here they are. In the front, there's a hole to expose your smartphone camera. I imagine that's if you want to record video and view it live within the goggles. There's holes on both sides that give you access to your phone screen. That's if you need to adjust something like video settings or just need to tap something on the screen. There's padding around the screen there, and yep, you can wear your glasses with these with no problem. I personally found the resolution to be very clear, sharp, and bright. So on the bottom there's a dial that allows you to lock the goggles in position. They are adjustable. Feels like a really nice quality fabric material that these are made out of. The product listing on Amazon says they weigh 1.85 pounds, and they're not heavy at all. I never felt like I had to strain my neck to hold them up. And this is where your phone goes. You can see those clips? That's what holds your phone in place. You do get an instructions manual, USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to lightning cable for the iPhone users. They throw in this microfiber cloth to keep your screens clean. And you also get a USB-C to micro USB OTG adapter. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need to get everything set up, right? You're gonna need the DroneMask 2, of course. You're gonna need your smartphone. Here's mine, it's an iPhone 13. And then you're gonna need a GPS drone. This is the phenomenal DJI Air 2S. And you need a controller. You're going to need one of the included cable. Basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be connecting the smartphone. We're gonna be placing that into the mask. All right, so you can see that there's two clips here for putting that into place. All right, and then we're gonna run the cable from the phone to the controller. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and now we're gonna close this up. And what you wanna do is you wanna zip it to where it collapses on when that cable is coming out on the side. So it should look like that. Okay, now as you can see, I do wear glasses and the goggles do accommodate for glasses. So you can see they fit right in there nicely. And you can actually make adjustments. You can pull the screen closer or further away. You can just set that to your liking. I like mine all the way extended, but you can set that to your preference. All right. Y'all, I had to do a voiceover because a group came right to where I was sitting and they were LOUD. So I didn't do any real-time commentary. But anyway, I'm just launching the Air 2S here, and you can see I was able to access the screen. Now, one of the best things about using these goggles is no matter how bright it is outside, you'll still have a bright and clear feed from your phone. And you iPhone users out there know exactly what I'm talking about. Whenever the iPhone starts to get warm, the screen will automatically dim, and there's nothing you can do about it. Eventually, the phone completely shuts down if it gets too hot. The video is way underexposed here, but that's only because I forgot to switch my setting to auto. I was flying earlier with an ND filter on and I had my shutter speed locked. I'll fix that here in a second and things will brighten up some. It was getting late in the evening, so we were losing light. Here you're seeing me access the screen again so I could increase the brightness. So just flying around here, you can see as I turn my head, it also changes the orientation of the map. If any of you smart people out there know of any benefits to that, share with the rest of us in the comments. Okay, I thought I would come back out here and put the Air 2S in FPV mode. So we're gonna go into the settings. So instead of follow me, we're gonna click on FPV mode. Really comfortable fit, even with my glasses. Okay, I think we're ready to go. So we are in FPV mode. So as you can see, the roll is not stabilized. So you get this sort of FPV feel. Take it up a little higher here, which is cool. And many, if not most, of DJI's drones have this mode. So the Mini 3 Pro has it. Even my Anafi has FPV. So really cool. Just wanted to come out real quick and experience that. The sun has gone down, or is going down. Pretty hazy today. And there's the sun. It's only about 8:30 here, so we're losing light pretty quick. So sorry for the dark image, but main thing I wanted to do is just check out the FPV mode, and you can see how that's working. And why don't we throw it into sports mode? There we go. Let's throw it in sports mode real quick. Check it up a little bit. You feed my ego, together we go. 40 miles an hour.